Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello. You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free.
I think I touched a nerve.
What do you want? Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry about earlier.
You are.
Look, Doc said when I finish, I could go. That was the deal.
The deal was you.
You'll be all right. Just trust us.
All right, Ellie.
Yeah.
Major, let's go. You're on.
I'm gonna make you scream.
Aha, that's
stop by New Orleans for some of that sweet jazz, baby.
Yes, that's me, Chester Whipplefilter.
And I'm Francis Beltline.
No! What am I gonna do?
I love your mud flaps.
Out of my way,
I
bumpkin.
got my fishing flaps, got my church flaps. I'm going out.
How'd that be, Tomato? Tomato! What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
Pitched out that rot good excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural sustainable
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like...
Correcto, hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente y fuera.
Lightning wins, he decides when he's done racing. That was the deal. Hi, I'm Miss Lloyd.
And a big reason for that? Training on the newest cutting-edge simulators. These machines create a
I'm flying! I'm having a tour!
En route!
Trooper responded. Where's the boat? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for me.
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad!
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Huds, boy.
Who's HUD? Oh, Doc Hudson.
good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get...
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Can you believe that?
Paparazzi.